The Bitcoin halving is successfully completed. However, there are few charts that I want to share with you that will give us the best opportunity to go long or short in the coming days. So stay tuned and I will share each and everything related to Bitcoin, crypto and some quite surprise as well. So let's get straight to the point. This is the new week, new beginning. Today is Monday and 2 days ago, that is on Saturday, the Bitcoin halving took place. So that is very nice and I'm very happy to be a part of it. Now let's get straight to the point and let's get straight to the charts first. So first of all, obviously the halving took place. That does not mean that the price will start to pump the next day. Obviously that will not happen. It will take some weeks and months to start the initial pump as well, and already we have seen a huge pump towards the upside already. That is with the ETFs and yeah, so now right now the price is in a sideways trend, and I told you all that either the price will do a breakdown towards the downside or it will just consolidate sideways for many days and weeks before a huge breakout towards the upside and forming a new all-time high and maybe going to the $100,000 level. And this is what I want to first tell you guys, that yes, there is a lot of spot Bitcoin ETF buying and the volume that is coming in and the daily buying of Bitcoin by the institutions is rising and rising. I hope you have already seen many news and I have mentioned it in my previous videos as well. But that does not mean that the price of Bitcoin will always pump in a straight line and will never dump. No. The price action of Bitcoin will work as well. And now let me tell you one more secret. First of all, the price of Bitcoin is very easy to get manipulated. Let me tell you that. Yes, you heard right. Because there are only 21 million Bitcoin in the whole world right now. And I hope you all know the FTX case, the Sam Bankman-Fried. He was also using customers' fund to manipulate the price, and how perfectly he was, manipulating the price exactly to the point. So you can imagine that if the institutions want, they can also manipulate the price easily. However, they are not doing it right now, and I'm sure they will do it in the future. They are just launched, so that's why they are just gaining their customer support. And I also told you that the ETF, the institutions, they can sell and buy whenever they want. They are all their main focus is just to make the profit of their customers, so they won't be hesitated to sell at the exact high and buy at the exact low. That is the time when you will be thinking that, oh, the price of Bitcoin will also pump towards the more upside, more and more, and that will be the time when it will give a huge dump towards the downside. I will recommend you guys that do not come in any FOMO or FUD and stay away from crypto Twitter, because obviously that is just bullshit, to be quite honest. And if you spend time on Twitter, especially in the crypto field, in the crypto sector, you will definitely come in FOMO, and you will end up buying Bitcoin or any other coin at a very very bad price, and then you will regret it later. So it's better to just focus on your analysis, on your charts, and stay away from the internet and social media. You can follow some YouTubers for regular updates or some websites, but following Twitter or seriously following any YouTuber like blindly is what I won't recommend you. And that's why I say that don't even follow me also blindly. And I always look forward to teach you guys about trading and not just give you some calls that okay, buy here, sell here. No, my main motive is to that teach you guys that how to trade, how to manage your trade when it is going against you, when it is going in favor, and everything. Now let me get back to the chart. I'm on the daily time frame, and right now I hope you can clearly see the price of Bitcoin is in a sideways market right now. I hope you can see this. First rejection, then here zigzag like this. So right now, as you all know, I made a previous video that here was a very good opportunity to buy. However, I didn't take it because I missed it. And yeah, so now I'm pretty sure that the price of Bitcoin will come at the $71,000 level in coming few days or weeks. because obviously you can clearly see the price is in a sideways market. It got support from here. Now there are chances the price will go again to its next target, which is approx this whole zone. Well, the main important resistance zone is this purple zone from 68,000 to 65,000. However, this white box is also a very important resistance zone from 73,000 to 71,000. So even if I take any middle number like 70,000, this is a very good whole number, and the price of Bitcoin can easily come at $70,000 to complete its zigzag target. So right now this is not the best time to go long or short according to me, because the price is in the middle. There are chances that the price can again dump towards the downside or consolidate for some days and then again pump towards the upside. So right now this is not the right time to enter for me. I will wait for the price either to come at my support level or at my resistance level to trade. That's it. Simple levels: support, resistance. That's it. Don't take trade in middle. And yeah, so this is what I just wanted to update you guys. And also look closely, the price of Bitcoin is slightly bullish in the past couple of days. You can clearly see it went from 61,000 all the way up to 65,000. Now the same thing is happening with altcoins as well. If you follow me on my Twitter, so I hope you all know my trade updates right there, and how each and every altcoin is giving us profits right here. First of all, let me just give you some quick recap. I hope you remember we took a trade on Tron and we did manage to get some profit somewhat over here. So first of all, the price of Tron was pumping quite incessantly towards the upside without any much rejection. You can clearly see from here a huge parabolic pump towards the upside. However, the price of Tron dumped heavily, like very heavily, towards the downside, and this pump was because Bitcoin was pumping. I hope you remember the price of Bitcoin when it was at $50,000-$60,000 and when it was pumping quite heavily towards the upside. So it carried every altcoin. But when the price of Bitcoin got rejected from $70,000 to $73,000, and right now you can see Bitcoin's price is sideways, but each and every altcoin is dumping towards the downside very heavily. Why? Because this dump in the altcoins is the original price action that they are following. So right now you can clearly see the price of Tron is in a downtrend, high, lower low, lower high, and then a lower low has been made. So this is the right time to buy, and my first target will be this right here, resistance, because this is the important trend line resistance. So this will be my first level of target, but I am mainly aiming for this level right here, important level, resistance zone at 0.120 approx. I went long in this trade when the price did a breakout of my zone, and then at a retest exactly at here I went long, and I did inform you guys on my Twitter as well. Same is with the BNB. I informed you guys on my Twitter about BNB trade as well, and it is also pumping quite heavily towards the upside. The main reason of pump is simple. It is also in a kind of a sideways channel, and it got support from my important support zone right here, 518 to $464. Also, if I move to the 4-hour time frame, I decided to enter over here. Why? Because already the price was pumping towards the upside, and I decided to enter in a support of the trend line. You clearly see low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. So it is already in an uptrend. I decided to enter over here at this price, and currently this trade is running in profits. So yeah, I have decided to trail my stop loss and position my stop loss at the initial target right here, entry point. So right now this is a risk free trade for me. Even if this goes against me, I will have zero loss. So yeah, let's see what happens. My main target is obviously the upper part of the sideways panel that I told you, like this. So my target is all the way up till here, this high at $644. So in the end, let me just show you the crude oil chart. The main picture that you saw in the thumbnail is of this candle right here, and I hope you remember crude oil. We took plethora of trades here, and most of them were all win. So first of all, the price of crude oil is currently in an uptrend. You can clearly see low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher low, and a new higher high has been made, and now the price of crude oil has dumped towards the downside to make a new higher low right here. Well, this is a very good opportunity for me to go long, because you can clearly see, first of all, it is at the important trend line support. You can clearly see this white trend line. It is giving a very important support right here. Second, it is inside my important support zone right here, this purple zone, which is acting as a very important support zone from 82.21 to 81.31. This is a very important support zone. However, I will definitely wait a little bit to enter in a long. So do follow me on my Twitter. I will update you guys there that when I'm entering long and what are my trade targets, stop loss and target, each and everything. I will inform you guys on my Twitter as well. Also, I told you that the price of crude oil has the potential to reach this resistance purple zone from 89.73 approx $90 to 88.25. However, you can clearly see the price got rejected from here. This means that there is a lot of pressure in the sellers. And also, if you look closely at this doji candle right here, this indicates that the buyers went all the way up till here last Friday at 85.64 approx, and then got rejected at the same date here. So this also signifies a lot of sellers pressure. Obviously, this is a doji, and doji means neutrality in the market, so I can't say much that there are bulls or bears. That's why I'm waiting to enter in a long trade or a short trade on crude oil, and I'm waiting for a extra indication to act as a confluence in my trade. Yes guys, this is it for today's video, and I hope you understand and got the main info on Bitcoin and my altcoin trades, and the maybe like coming crude oil trade as well, and the main doji candle that formed last Friday. So I hope you understand all of these things and my trade updates. Do try to watch this video 2 to 3 times to understand how to take a trade, what to see things when taking a trade, how to combine many confluences to enter in a long or a short trade. So yeah, if you want to trade Bitcoin or any other crypto like Tron or BNB, you can do that on Bybit. Create an account for free, link is in the description and in the pinned comments. And if you want to trade crude oil, you can do that on Exness. You can again create an account for free, link is in the description and in the pinned comments. And yeah, this is it. I'll see you guys next time. Thank you for watching once again.